हैं फिजाओं में इधर उधर, वो कैसे आपकी शाखाओं तक पहुंचे और आपको कहानियां।
This is a smooth pitch. That's how you do it. I do have an email ID, which obviously, if I should not announce like that, but it's there on Butterfly Films. Blue Butterfly Films का एक हैंडल है जो इंस्टाग्राम पे भी है, उस पर आपको एक मेल आईडी मिल जाएगा, तो आप वहाँ भेज सकते हैं. And I do have a team that sort of goes through the scripts and scans them. अगर आप अपनी स्क्रिप्ट के साथ सिनॉप्सिस भी भेजेंगे जो 2-3 पेज की हो तो जल्दी पढ़ी जाएगी. So that is one way of reaching out.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I love that this is a producer-related question. I love this.
Yeah, but the thing is, it's very important to send synopsis, is what I'm trying to say, because not everyone can go through every script, you know, on the whole.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you so much for asking that question. Can you please pass the mic to the lady here, please? वो आगे आपके पास वहाँ
That is you only.
मैम.
I'm so sorry.
No problem. पहले आप अपना नाम बताइए please.
My name is Iffi Acharya. I'm a very big fan of both of you. I'll start with Rudrani because Kirti, of course, everybody knows you in the room. So Rudrani is somebody I've been following her journey since past 5 years. I love the way she is always supporting and empowering new talent. Somebody like me, because I'm a producer and actor from Bangalore. And Rudrani, heads off to you. I was so happy. I've already bombarded your Instagram with a lot of your beautiful photos and Instagram. So it's a privilege. And secondly, now coming back to Kirti, I am such a big fan today, and I have to say that the way you look, I mean, I have a friend sitting right next to me. He's from Bihar, so he literally went out with his heart in complimenting you, and me being a lady, I was also like, oh my God, you look gorgeous.
Thank you.
That she does. इसमें तो एक round of applause फिर से, ये तो सब जानते हैं. Listen, everybody agrees to this.
And I would love to talk to you in Hindi, but I started doing something small in my capacity, and I would definitely want a message from you, any kind of, motto you can give me, or any kind of suggestion you can give somebody like me who idolizes you at everything, first as an actor and second as a producer. Thank you.
How sweet, how sweet. As an actor, as a producer, तो यार मैं खुद सीख रही हूँ अभी. I'm too new to give you any suggestions. I think I like being the newcomer here. But as an actor, I would just say that stay you and stay original. Don't try and, even if someone inspires you, take the inspiration, take the good, but be you. You know, don't become someone else or try and become someone else because that other person exists. You know, you don't exist. You're just one. So be original, be you. Otherwise, what's happening is everyone's becoming everyone's clones. So we need like real people. We need real actors, original. That, you know, it has to come from your heart. It can't come from someone else's.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the question. Okay, can we please pass it to the lady here, please, in the first row? We will give it to you. Okay, ma'am. Okay, you take it. We'll come to you next, ma'am. She already has the mic. Sorry.
She stood up also, so
She was very enthused about it. Ma'am, आपका नाम क्या है, please?
मैम थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने मुझे माइक के लिए दिया.
बिल्कुल.
मेरा नाम जूली है और मैं अभी जस्ट एक फीचर फिल्म कंप्लीट की हूँ जिसमें बेस्ट फीचर फिल्म का भी अवार्ड मिला है, बेस्ट डेब्यू डायरेक्टर अवार्ड मिला है.
Congratulations, ma'am. बहुत बढ़िया.
उसका नाम है दाल रोटी ब्रेड बटर. और मैं एक
दाल रोटी ब्रेड बटर.
दाल रोटी ब्रेड एंड बटर.
दाल रोटी ब्रेड एंड बटर. One round of applause for this lovely lady.
माइग्रेशन ऑफ फार्मर्स. तो मैम मेरा जो क्वेश्चन में मेरा पेन है, जो सिर्फ मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि यहाँ आने का जो मौका मिला है वो पेन यहीं पे सॉल्व हो सकता है. आई एम डूइंग अ सेकंड फिल्म, फीचर फिल्म, एंड एस्टैब्लिश्ड बैनर ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर. मैं आर्टिस्ट तक नहीं पहुंच पा रही हूँ और मुझे सेलेबल चाहिए था, तो मैं कीर्ति मैम तक पहुंची हूँ. अगर हो सके तो वो मुझे नरेशन के लिए अगर टाइम दे दें मुंबई में.
यहाँ पे सब काम की बातें क्यों कर रहे हैं?
मुझे ये मौका मिला है, मैं पहुंच नहीं पा रही हूँ. मैं बहुत कोशिश की, मेरे पास कोई ऐसा लिंक नहीं है. आई ट्राई माय इंस्टाग्राम थ्रू, ट्विटर थ्रू, लिंक्डइन.
So रुद्रानी जो है, इनके पास मेरे मैनेजर का नंबर है, तो ये आपको मेरे मैनेजर का नंबर दे देंगी.
ओके, थैंक यू.
और फिर आप भी जैसा कि उनको बोला सिनॉप्सिस के साथ एक स्क्रिप्ट लिख सकते हैं.
एंड रहता है।